Rebuild yourself in silence and show them all what you become. The world doesn't need to hear your plans. It doesn't need to know your struggle. Let your results do the talking. Rebuild yourself in silence. And when you rise, they won't believe who you've become. Are you ready to unlock unstoppable determination? Silence your self-doubt and transform your life? Then stay till the end, because this 7-day mindset shift will change everything. Embody the power of silence and self-transformation. What if I told you that the most powerful transformations happen in the dark? The greatest minds, the strongest souls, and the most successful people rebuilt themselves in silence. No applause, no validation, just relentless action. When you take control of your mind, you take control of your life. Your inner dialogue shapes your reality. Replace I can't with I will. Replace I'm not good enough with I'm becoming unstoppable. Success isn't about proving them wrong. It's about proving yourself right. Resilience and the inner battle. The only thing standing between you and the life you want is your mind. Fear will tell you to stop. Comfort will tempt you to settle. But you must decide. Will you control your mind, or will it control you? Every setback is a lesson. Every failure is a stepping stone. Winners aren't the ones who never fall. They're the ones who refuse to stay down. Nobody's coming to save you. No one is going to hand you success. If you want it, go get it. Your future self is watching you right now. Make them proud. The 7-day challenge. Rebuild yourself. For the next 7 days, challenge yourself. Day 1. Cut out distractions. Focus on your path. Day 2. Reframe your mindset. Speak only words of power. Day 3. Do something uncomfortable. Face the fear. Day 4. Take full ownership. No more excuses. Day 5. Learn from failure. Turn losses into lessons. Day 6. Define your vision. Who do you want to become? Day 7. Move in silence. Let your results make the noise. The greatest transformations happen in the quiet. While others doubt you, while they sleep on your potential, you build. If you're ready to commit to this journey, type I am unstoppable in the comments below. Subscribe to Mindscape for more powerful